Good morning. Today we're going to be auto trading the Russell. Had a really nice day on it yesterday. Okay, so we're using Trend Jumper, and today is Thursday, the 17th of April. We had a long that went up and hit its full target pre-market and then trailed out here. So we're just waiting for the next new setup. And again, the automation, it's 9:30 New York, so the markets are just opening up. The automation will do everything. So hopefully we can get a really nice one and done. That'll be it for the day. Yesterday we had a really nice trade as well. Let me go back over to yesterday real quick. Yeah, yesterday here, this is a 933, and you can see we went short and it went right on out there, hit the full target, and it then trailed out. Where did we finally get out? We trailed out right over here. So again, this was yesterday's trade. One and done. If we get a winner on our first trade, we're done. If not, we have to keep trading till we're positive. So we'll see what today brings. We had a little bit of a pre-market move up, but it's kind of stabilized, and we're looking for a possible short right now. So we'll see what it is. So I'll let this go ahead and play for a minute, and then I'll come back and update you on the trade. It looks like we might get along. This is actually a one point range bar chart. Once the market moves 10 ticks or one full point on the Russell, it will print a bar. The beauty about that is it's all about price action.
Order pending.
So it's not time. Okay, we have a long at 25.3. We'll be going for a target of 27, and a stop is down here at 23.9. So you can see it right here on the chart.
Order pending.
There you go. We are long. Again, what we do is when we hit this first dot, that's our money management. And so at that point in time, we'll lock in a tick. And then, of course, we're going for a full target, and we're going to trail the second position. Like yesterday, we got a really nice trailer out of it. If you can only do one position, then just go to the fixed target. So we'll see how this trade plays out. Again, our stop is down here at 23.9. You can see it right here on the chart. As luck would have it, we stopped out. Not a big deal. It is options expiration Thursday because tomorrow's a holiday. We'll take the next trade in sequence. And also note we do have Philly Fed manufacturing at 10 o'clock. So we will stand down 5 minutes before and after. And another thing I did notice, look here at the swing high. It was just below 27. So I would also have adjusted our fixed target down a tick. Well,
order pending.
Looks like we just got shook
order
out of
pending.
that. And the market exploding higher. Oh, very unfortunate. I mean, just went down to our stop. Otherwise, we would have hit our full target. So let's see if the market's got some energy to really push up to new highs. One of the nice things about the automation is I don't have to do anything. I don't really even have to watch the screen. I could go back off and get a cup of coffee. I'm not glued to the screen because if this hits its money management right up here at 28.2, you're going to see the stops automatically going to move up for me. That's one of the nice things about reliable automation is, once you kind of get it going and you start it, then pretty much you're set, and it will trade. It'll stop trading after one trade. If that first trade was a winner, it'd have been done. So you can see we hit our money management, and the stop has moved itself on up to lock in a tick. I didn't do anything. Just hopefully we missed full target by a tick. All right. Now we will consider that a full target winner if we were going for power of quitting. So let's say this is our first trade. It's missed it by a tick again. So you've got a couple options. You could go ahead and exit one of your positions right here manually, and then go ahead and just let the trailer do its thing. Since you are up just over a point, and now we've hit a double top, one tick away from full target. So at this point in time now, there's not that much to do. Just hope your stop will hold and it'll make another push higher. But that is one thing that you do need to manually do as a trader.
Order canceled.
Intervene if you need to. So again, this came down, took us out at our break even. We'll take the next trade. Whether it's long or short, we are ready for it. But again, you could have easily taken some additional profit out of this first trade. Just waiting for the next
Order
trade.
pending.
There it is. There's a short. 24.4. We'll see if it triggers in and see where it goes from there. We did trigger in short. Again, we're trying to get down to 22.7. Our stops up here at 25.8. Okay, they made us sweat for a minute. The trade worked out. It's sold at first target, and we're trailing now up here at 24.1. So, you know, we took a little bit of heat right up here, but again, let the automation removes the emotions. If you've tested your system, if you know that it works and it works over time, you know, you're going to have losing trades. Just did. This one, like I said, we probably could have gotten a little bit out of it, but if you're hands off, you've just walked away, then, you know, you're pretty much done. Now, we do have the Fed Manufacturing Index coming up in about 6 minutes, so we'll let this trade play out, and maybe we can stay in it. The news will be bad, and the market will sell off, and we'll be able to do well with this trailer. All right, doesn't look like it's going to stay in there. It just might, but...
Order filled.
Okay, so we're flat. We've got the news in about 4 minutes. So I'll go ahead and turn the strategy off so then we can get in sync with the next trade. The Philly Fed Manufacturing was quite a bit better than expected. Expecting 9.6 and they got 16.5. So that's why oil went long, and that's why we probably will go long again here on the Russell. So we're about 3 minutes after the news release, so again we'll take the next trade. We did trigger long. Trying to get up here. This will be the final trade. If we can get full target, we'll be in for a nice profit. All right, well, the long didn't quite have it, so not yet. Maybe still a touch early. Market deciding which way it wants to go. So it looks like we got shaken out of that long again, kind of like that very first trade of the day, and now we're going to try and push higher. So we're long once again. Trying to get up here to 28.5. Obviously, again, one ticked full target. It's got to break that 0.5 level. So we'll give it a little more time. Should get some good energy, and then we'll see how we're doing. Hopefully, this will be the trailer. There, finally got it, and getting in a little push. Again, the stop's already moved up to break even, and now it'll start trailing the jump line. All right, so we got a little bit out of the trailer. Still slightly down for the day. Okay, we have a long 29.2. Market is in waves going higher, right? There's the, we were able to catch the one little short
Order
here
pending.
before the news. All right, we are long, but yeah, there you go. There's the market. Waves going higher. Been able to catch several, one of those moves. We're on the maybe the second wave higher. This could be our final trade. I know I keep saying that, but that's what the market's giving to us. Hey, it's break even right now. All right, full target. This will definitely, I think, get us fully power of quitting and done, and maybe we'll get a nice runner out of it. Yep, we are up by $40 right now. And actually, we've got then another $130 on the table. So even if this comes all the way back, which it looks like it's doing it a little bit, we will still be up. But if we get a nice runner, we might end up being pretty positive. So not a perfect day. Had two trades that, almost made it happen. And we're going to make pretty good money on this trade as it is. It's going to start trailing more aggressively. And again, we could get several points out of this one trade. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, it's nice to see a system that ends positive almost every single day. Try and just get one nice winner like we did yesterday. We're done, up several $100s, and then you can move on with your day. Remember that capital plan spreadsheet, and I'll attach a link for that. That shows if you can just make $70 a day, you can pull $10,000 out of your account and trade for a living. Just $70 a day. The place where people go wrong is they want to make too much money. They say, I need to make $500 every day. It's not realistic unless you have a really big account. This is a long term. This isn't a one-day trading event or 1 week or even 1 month. You have to look at this long term over the years. But it starts with a profitable system and trading it slowly, and that way you can build your account and grow with confidence. So look right here. I mean, we're up $300 on this one trade, and that's with our stop moving nicely higher. It's right at the same spot as our fixed target. So again, this could get us another point or two. You know, we held on. We followed our plan. We did our system, and the market is, on fire. I'll come back and close this out as soon as this trade is done. Okay, got a really nice runner there. You can see our fixed target was 30.9. We exited up here at 33.3. So that's almost another 2 points. And for the day, how did we do? $444. Don't quit after the first loss. The first trade was a loss, right? Have a plan, stick to it. This is Trend Jumper, okay? Just using AutoTrader. You don't have to use AutoTrader. You can manually trade this. Use the DOM, use the chart trader, and just manually do it. It's the system shows you visually. I mean, it gives you the entry, right? It gives you the target. It gives you the stop. It shows you how to trail all the way up. So all it is a matter of you just managing those orders. Hope you enjoyed it. Took longer. I thought this was going to be maybe a quick, one and done, but a lot of good trading lessons here to be learned. Everybody have a great Easter weekend.